Hello everyone, Jude here from Tech Office Software. In this tutorial today, we shall be learning about the fundamental basics of Microsoft PowerPoint. To get started, we search for PowerPoint here. You see, before we even complete, the PowerPoint has already shown up. We click open to open it up. When PowerPoint open up, we have the option of clicking this blank template here to get started, or to select from the pre-made template here or from the pre-made themes, any of them. You can start from there. And that thing we can do is to go online here and search for presentation we want. As you can see, we have so many templates to choose from online to do any work we want to do. All we have to do is click on it. It will open up. If this is what you want, you click create to apply it to your PowerPoint. So it has opened up in our system. So let's close it up. So we open up PowerPoint again to get started. That was an example. In this tutorial, we shall be actually using a blank template. So let us click the blank template and open it up. Let's talk a little bit about the layouts here. Up here, we have the tabs. When you click any tab, it opens up the ribbon. As you can see, the ribbons are divided into groups. We have slide group, table group, image group. So having said all this, let us take a look at the presentation. This open space here is the presentation area. It's called the slide area, this open space here. Then here is called the thumbnail area. We have slide 1 here. The slide area is where we edit all our presentations. The slide is divided into 2. We have the title box and the subtitle box. So I have clicked the title box. Let me put a title there. Dogs that I love. Then let me put my name under here. So that's my name. We are done with our first slide, on that it is plain and just black and white. To make our first slide look a bit beautiful, we click the design tab. Then we can select from a whole lot of design theme templates, as you can see them here. When you hover over anyone, it will apply so that you see how it will look like when you click on it. You can as well click this drop down button here to get more design themes, or we can go online as we saw in the beginning of the tutorial to get more templates online. So we click this one to apply the design in our slide. So having selected a theme, you look here. So having selected a theme, you look up here, you see the theme variances. These are the variations of the design theme that you have chosen. So when you hover over them, you see how they will look when you apply them. So I'll click this one here to apply it. To add another slide, we can go up here to the home tab, click here to apply a new slide, and it will automatically add slide for us. Or you can still come to the home tab from the second part of it. When we click new slide, it will give us option of having more slides. Then we can as well click here at the bottom here. Then when we click enter, a new slide will automatically be added for us, or we can right click and then we select a new slide, and then we have another slide. These are the different ways you can easily add new slide to your presentation. So let's say we delete all these ones. So let me click on that here, click enter to add a new slide. Let's put title for this slide, type of dogs. So we put in the dogs type here. When we click enter, you automatically bullet the next position for me to type. Though this look old fashioned, so I have to make it look a bit beautiful. So I click here, the first word, and highlight all of them. We right click, go to convert to smart art. Yes, I will use this one. This one looks beautiful. So now let's add our third slide. We click enter here. So we now put here as our title, let's say dog images. Dog images. First of all, let us right click on the blank area and select layout. From here we select title only and apply it to our presentation. Then let us add the images or the pictures of the dogs. We come to insert tab here, we click pictures, then we go online to search for pictures. So let's search for Samoyed. So the pictures has opened up. Let's just choose one. We can scroll down to see more. I'll choose this one and then I insert. So I have downloaded the image of Samoyed dog. So I can resize it by holding this handle here. I drag it to the size I want. So I change the position to be here. Let me resize it again. So I go to insert again, under picture, online. So I search for retriever, and here we are. Let's select this one and insert as well. We hold the handle to resize it, then we move it up here. We can rotate this picture if we so want, if there is need for it, but there is no need to rotate this very one. So let me fill up the rest and we continue. So we have added all the 4 dogs. We have the Samoyed, the retriever, the bulldog, and the German shepherd. We have resized it to fit. Then let's add names to the dogs. We'll come to insert again, go to text box, we click where we want the text to be, then we type. Let's make it a bit bigger, then we position it well up here, then we highlight, we bold, italize, and then we can even increase the font. So we have given a name to this one. So instead of going back to the insert tab to click on the text box. We just right click here, then we copy. When we copy, we paste. It will duplicate it, so let me duplicate it 4 times. Then I drag and drop in the positions I want them and make the necessary correction. So we'll drop this one here. So we'll make the corrections now. This is Retriever, Shepherd. We have Bulldog. So far we have learned how to open up PowerPoint, how to get more templates online in case we need. We have also learned about the tab, the ribbons, the group. We have also learned about the slide area, the thumbnail area, how to put text to pictures, how to put in pictures from online. Now we are at the view area, which is this left bottom corner of the presentation. Here we have the normal view, which is what we are in now. The next one, we are now on the slide sorter. From here, we can rearrange the slides if we want. We click on it and drag it anywhere we want, if we so want. Then the next one is the reading view. I don't always use this one. Then we have the slideshow. We can use the left and right arrow key to get to the next slide. We can use the up and down key to do the same thing. We can use the shift key, or can use the enter key. You can use any one you prefer, though I love using the left and right arrow keys. To come out of the slide, you just click the escape key. We are out of the slide. Use the escape key to come out of the slide. Now we've noticed that our presentation is static. So let us add some animation to our slide. Animation tab, which is here. Then we click the object. We click the object. We come to the animation tab and then select from the different type of animations we have up here. You can see them. You can click the drop down to add more. So I have clicked the image, then I select animation. I encourage you to use flying or any of these ones. Don't go to so much complicated ones. Then let's apply the same thing to the name. Click the name. So we'll come to the retriever. We click the retriever. So let me apply it to the rest and we'll continue. So we have applied animation to all our pictures and text. Let us use the slide view again. We can observe that as we keep clicking, the images keep flying in. So that is it. So we leave the slide area again and come back to the normal view. So the next thing we have to do is to apply transition to our presentation. So we'll come to the transition tab here and use any transition we want. Then we'll go to apply and apply it. We click the tab. This is, we use wipe. I encourage you to use wipe as a beginner. so that you don't complicate things. We apply to all. Back to the slideshow now and see how our presentation is going to do. We can see how our presentation has performed beautifully. So finally, we have to save our presentation. So we click this file here, come to save as. From here, we choose where we want to save it. I'll choose desktop. Then the title is already there, dogs that I love. If I don't want this one, I can easily change it. Then I click save. Our work is saved. Let's say we close the work. You can see it here, dogs that I love. We right click on it. It has opened up. To this end, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on PowerPoint. Then consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. Watch out for new videos from Tech Office Software every week. See you in the next video. Bye.